Hi guys, this is Kayla with Wild Moon Studio Arts, and today I wanted to show you how to do the sumac weave as I showcase in my Luna wall hanging. So to get started, we're going to need a darning needle and some roving yarn, and I'm going to flip these loop stitches up and show you guys. We're going to be working left to right. Traditionally when weaving they start left to right, so we're going to continue with that. And I've got my drop stitch section here, and those are going to act as my warp strings. So first I'm going to go under that first warp string, pull my yarn through until I have like a little tail, and this is what I'll weave into my project later on. And then we're going to go back around that stitch and pull it through. And then we're going to continue in that pattern. Under this warp string, pull our yarn through. And again. And then you can see the start of that first part of the braid forming, or the one side. And then you'll continue this all the way down this row. And see the first part of that braid there. Now we're going to go right to left and finish the second part of the braid. So I'm going to go under this stitch and pull my yarn through. We're going to go under this stitch here and pull it to the right. Like so. And then we'll continue in that pattern all the way across. I've come to my last stitch, and I'm just going to go ahead and wrap that yarn around and tuck my ends in. And there you have it. It's very pretty. Creates a nice texture in your weaving. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'd appreciate it if you liked it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for how to knit content.